Mr. Murdaugh, I sentence you to the State Department of Corrections.
A judge on Friday sentenced Richard Alex Murdaugh to life in prison, one day after a jury found the disgraced South Carolina lawyer guilty of killing his wife Maggie and son Paul at their family estate in June 2021.
And you've engaged in such duplicitous conduct.
At the hearing, Judge Clifton Newman spoke in stark and personal terms to the scion of what had been an influential legal family with whom he had previously interacted.
It's also particularly troubling, Mr. Murdaugh, because as a member of the legal community and a well-known member of the legal community, you've practiced law before me, and we've seen each other at various occasions throughout the years. And it was especially heartbreaking for me to see you go in the media from being a grieving father who lost a wife and a son to being the person indicted and convicted of killing them.
Prosecutors say Murdaugh gunned down his wife and son to distract from an array of financial misdeeds, including the theft of millions of dollars from his law partners and clients, money used to feed a years-long addiction to opioids and support an expensive lifestyle. During sentencing, Murdaugh insisted he was innocent.
Judge, I tell you again, I respect this court, but I'm innocent. I would never, under any circumstances, hurt my wife Maggie, and I would never, under any circumstances, hurt my son Paul.
Well, and it might not have been you. It might have been the monster you become when you take 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 opioid pills. Maybe you become another person.
Murdaugh testified during the trial and admitted to lying about his whereabouts on the night of the murders after evidence emerged placing him at the scene, denting his credibility. The jury took only 3 hours to find him guilty after a 5-week trial. Here's lead prosecutor Creighton Waters during the sentencing hearing.
No one who thought they were close to this man knew who he really was, and Your Honor, that's chilling. And I've looked in his eyes, and he liked to stare me down as he would walk by me during this trial. And I could see the real Alex Murdaugh when he looked at me.
Murdaugh was sentenced to 2 consecutive life terms for both murders, a sentence requested by prosecutors who did not seek the death penalty. The judge said he did not question that decision.